Number 1. Egypt. Egypt is renowned for its ancient history and archaeological wonders. The pyramids of Giza, the Sphinx, and the Nile River are iconic landmarks that attract millions of tourists each year. The country's rich cultural heritage, including hieroglyphics and pharaohs, makes it a fascinating destination. Number 2. South Africa. Known as the Rainbow Nation, South Africa offers diverse landscapes, wildlife, and vibrant cities. It boasts stunning natural wonders like Table Mountain, Kruger National Park, and the picturesque Cape Winelands. Additionally, cities like Cape Town and Johannesburg showcase a mix of modern infrastructure and cultural experiences. Number 3. Kenya. Kenya is a popular safari destination, attracting travelers with its abundant wildlife and breathtaking landscapes. The Masai Mara National Reserve is renowned for the annual wildebeest migration, while Mount Kilimanjaro in neighboring Tanzania offers adventurous trekking opportunities. Kenya is also known for its rich culture, including the Maasai people and their traditional way of life. Number 4. Morocco. Located in North Africa, Morocco is a country of vibrant colors, bustling markets, and stunning architecture. The city of Marrakech entices visitors with its labyrinthine Medina, the Gemma El Fna Square, and beautiful palaces like the Bahia Palace and the Kautobia Mosque. The Sahara Desert and the Atlas Mountains are other popular attractions. Number 5. Tanzania. Tanzania is famous for its natural beauty and wildlife. The Serengeti National Park, Ngorongoro Crater, and Mount Kilimanjaro are some of its top highlights. Zanzibar, an archipelago off the coast of Tanzania, offers pristine beaches and a fascinating blend of African, Arab, and European cultures. Number 6. Nigeria. As the most populous country in Africa, Nigeria has a significant cultural and economic influence on the continent. It is known for its vibrant music industry, especially Afrobeat, and Nollywood, the Nigerian film industry. Lagos, the commercial capital, showcases a bustling urban atmosphere, while places like the Osun-Osogbo Sacred Grove and the ancient city of Benin highlight the country's historical and cultural heritage. Number 7. Ethiopia. With its ancient roots and stunning landscapes, Ethiopia stands out as a unique destination. Lalibella's rock-hewn churches, the ancient city of Aksum, and the Simien Mountains National Park are among its major attractions. The country also offers diverse cultural experiences, including traditional music, cuisine, and the celebration of religious festivals like Timkat. These countries represent just a selection of the popular and well-known destinations in Africa, and each one has its own unique offerings that make it worth exploring.